Shape Corp serves an array of industries including automotive, office furniture, medical, agriculture, and more. Founded in 1974, the company employs more than 4,500 associates and remains a privately owned family company with 17 facilities worldwide. We are proud to help contribute to lower carbon emissions from our buildings at Shape. Winning the Michigan Battle of the Buildings means a great deal to Shape, and it reflects the hard work our team spent to make a difference, and it also shows that we can greatly reduce our impact on the environment by making small but important changes within our facilities. To achieve our 24.98% reduction year to year, we implemented several projects. We started a monthly PM with a new tool we use to scan the buildings, compressed air lines, gas lines from the compressors out to the equipment, and this helps us to find and fix leaks that we wouldn't have found normally. We have had great results with this project. A few other initiatives we are working on. We're moving towards LED lighting as we need to replace or add new fixtures. We are trying to set up our work centers to power down all equipment if inactive. This includes fans, lights, and any power to the work center itself that isn't needed when not running. So we compete in Michigan Battle of the Buildings not only to save money and save the environment, but also we like the competitive aspect. We like competing with other companies, hearing what ideas they come up with. Striving to make a change for the better is a large part of our culture here at Shape, not only for our local communities, but also the world.